Marking attendance. This feature serves to ensure student safety and keep schools compliant. Daily attendance provides parents with insight into their students' school attendance patterns. Marking attendance in the morning, preferably after the first subject, is crucial. This allows parents to be notified promptly in case of emergencies. It's important to understand that this feature is automated. Attendance is calculated daily, and the data is automatically reflected on the student's report sheet. Marking attendance is a straightforward process. Teachers and administrators can do so via their respective apps. As an administrator, simply navigate to the classroom page, select the relevant classroom, and mark attendance. A green tick indicates a present student, while a red tick with an X denotes an absence. Once attendance is marked, it cannot be modified, and the record is permanent. To ensure accuracy, it's essential to mark attendance daily, underscoring the importance of delegating this task to class teachers.